So this is the next face pack recipe. This is also very good to be used in winters. This gives an instant skin brightening. It's like an instant facial you can do. You need 3 ingredients for it: beetroot, potato and chia seeds. And for one person, 1/4 of beetroot, 1/4 of potato and 1 teaspoon chia seeds is enough. Take all of these, put them in a blender, blend it and then apply it along with the sheet mask. So if your vegetables are organic, you do not need to peel them off, otherwise you would need to peel them. Since I've bought organic potatoes and beetroot, I will not be peeling them. I'll just take a portion of these which is required for the face and I'll put them here in the blender. So this much is enough for one person, and 1 spoonful of chia seeds. So this is a very nice face pack for winters. You have to apply it along with a sheet mask, otherwise it will not stick to your face and it will keep falling off, and it could stain your clothes. However, it does not stain the facial skin at all, and it will only give you a very nice pink rosy glow. It's like an instant facial which you can do before going out.